Today we are going to be talking about penguins. I have teacher Melissa and teacher Mika with me today, and thank you for joining us. So we're first going to look at the body part of the penguin. Remember this puzzle, you've been doing this puzzle in class. So over here we have the head. Take his head off. The head, it's got the eye and the beak, and notice the shape of his beak. Can you see that? And then over here, this is called the belly. Have you got a belly? Yes, you do. And then this is his back, and these are his little flippers. Can you see the black flippers? And then over there are his feet with his claws, and he's got webbed feet. We're going to find out why his feet are webbed. Okay, can you think about that so long? Okay, so we're going to go through some fun facts about penguins. There are 17 different sizes and types of penguins. Can you believe it? They are aquatic. What does aquatic mean, guys? I wonder if we've ever been aquatic. Have you swum in a pool before or been to the sea? That was you being a little bit aquatic. That means we can swim in the water. Penguins are also flightless, which means that they can't. Can they fly? They can't fly. But they've got wings. Very suspicious.
Are they called wings?
Are they called wings? Ah, good question, Melissa. Okay. The only penguins that are not found in the southern hemisphere are Galapagos penguins. Sorry, Melissa, can you get us the globe, please? Melissa's going to get us the globe. And then we can see where the penguins live. It's better to see the real thing, hey? Okay, she's getting us the continent globe. Oh, she's dusting it off. It hasn't been in use for a while. So where is the southern hemisphere, Melissa?
Southern, yeah, bottom.
So everything's at the bottom, you see? And where's the northern hemisphere? Everything at the top. Okay. So the only penguin that lives in the north is the Galapagos penguin. Can you say Galapagos? And then every other penguin lives in the south. It lives here in the, let's take this off, lives over here in Antarctica, lives in Australia, lives in Africa. We've seen penguins in Africa. Who's been to boulders?
Oh, yes.
Yes, the penguins are boulders. And then the South America, they also live over there. Did you put that back on for us? Okay. So, what color are penguins? Can you remember, children? They have very dark feathers and they have a white belly. Do you have a belly? Is your belly white? Okay. They also, what do they feed on? What do you think they eat?
They can't eat grass because where they live there's not a lot
of
there.
grass. Yeah, some of them live in the snow, hey? Now remember, we need to remember that they also swim. So I wonder where they get their food from. Should we watch a video to give us that answer? I think we'll do that. Okay, they also live in very big groups. So they're definitely not practicing social distancing right now. So penguins live in what they call large colonies, and there's sometimes thousands, hundreds of thousands of penguins that live together. It gets a little bit crowded. The largest penguin is the emperor penguin. I'm going to show you how big he is. Now you know this. This is the number rod. This is the number 10 number rod. They are, can you hold that, Mika? That is how big the emperor penguin is. Obviously he's standing up, he's not lying down. Put him like that. He's 1.1 meters tall. Ooh, can't see Melissa there. He's very tall, hey? And that is the, which was that one? That was the emperor penguin. I've got a picture here of the emperor penguin. Oh, there's the emperor penguin with a baby. Okay. So that's the emperor penguin. Now the smallest little penguin, let me see if I've got a picture of him here. I don't think he is here. Anyway, the smallest little penguin, he's called a blue penguin. And he's also called a fairy penguin because he's so small. He's only this big. Oh my goodness. That's tiny. He's 33 centimeters, so he's a little bit bigger than that. So that's a very cute little penguin. You wouldn't mind seeing one of those. Okay, so we're going to watch a video now about penguins. And please, when you watch the video, just look out for these questions. So we want to know, just remind ourselves, what are the colors of the penguins? Are they cold-blooded or warm-blooded? If you feel your body, can you feel whether you are icy to the touch or you're quite warm to the touch? Or if I feel somebody else's body? Melissa feels quite warm. Might have to take her temperature. So are they cold or warm-blooded? Can they fly? And if they can't, why not? Where do they hunt? Where do they get their food? What is the largest penguin, the smallest penguin? We've covered that one. Are they herbivores or carnivores? What is a herbivore? Herbivore eats vegetables and grass, and a carnivore eats meat. So are they meat eaters or do they eat vegetables? What actually eats a penguin? So we know what a penguin eats, but what is the penguin's predator? What could eat a penguin? And how do they walk? Do they walk on their toes? How do they walk? And then how many babies do they have every year? Okay, so we're going to watch the video now, okay?